Hello, everyone. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce to you, or actually have you register for a resource that our students use often when they are doing research in the library or research in your classes. All of them have a paid subscription to a software that is called Noodle Tools, and it is a way that they can manage their resources, their citations, their bibliographies. They can do note cards, they can create outlines, etc. They can do a lot. So today's recording is to show you how to register yourself, because there is an opportunity for you to share accounts with your students if you wanted to, or even view what they have done. So we're on the portal. We're going to go in through Library Resources, and we're on the home page. It's the lighter blue tab at the top here that we're selected. And we're going to scroll down on the left-hand side to Noodle Tools. And this is the screen that appears to everyone, whether they're registered or not. So if you had already registered, you would just sign in. But since you haven't registered, you would select Register. And the next screen, you would put in Notred, N-O-T-R-E-D, and then the word sunflower, no capitals anywhere, and then select Continue. The next page, you want to make sure you would select I am a teacher. There are some boxes that you as a teacher don't have to fill out. I'm going to create, I already have an account, but I'm going to create a sort of template so that I can do this demonstration. And you would put in, just to step back for a second, your personal ID is what you log in as on the portal. On the portal, the regular portal page where we started out. So the regular portal page for NDA, your username goes in here, and also then your password that you use for the portal page goes in these two next boxes. Again, I'm doing sort of a template, so I'm naming it Librarian 2. And then below that, just put your first and last initials. And then the last 4 digits of your phone number. This just is for the purposes of retrieving your password if you need be. Okay. And then once we log in, we're going to see the project page in front of us. So right now we don't have any projects, but if we wanted to, we could create one. If you're doing a project with your students, you might want to kind of follow along with what they're doing. In this case, I'm just going to name mine Test Project. And then let it default to the MLA, which is what most of us students do, but you can certainly select one of the other two. And I always suggest selecting the starter only because it gives you more tools. And that is pretty much it as far as logging in and establishing a project. This is a great place for, so we're on the dashboard. So we were just on the project page. We're on the dashboard for our project right now. Here's the name of our project. Here is our login name, and I'm just going to put in and so you could have them put in a thesis, other links. The second area is for sharing, and we'll go into that later. And then I love this last box. This is a to-do list that the students can keep. And we'll put today's date as the due date. And then just submit that, and they can add more to that as they go along. And this is the source page. This is where they keep their sources. And this is the note card page. We can create a note card. And the last is the paper page, which we'll talk about later. But as far as logging in and signing up, that is all we have to do for now. More on Noodle Tools later.